Autophagy. It literally means to eat oneself. Hi guys, Charayan Kapan here, founder of Ytalife, and you know how at Ytalife we keep researching on health, nutrition and well-being, all aspects of it. We keep experimenting, myself included, and we try to find out the truths on all these things so that you guys can live a free and healthy life for a lifetime. Now, autophagy is derived from the Greek word in which auto means self and phagein means to eat. So it literally means to eat oneself. So it's basically a very natural process of breaking down old cellular components and building new ones. Now, this is a very crucial element when it comes to survival and prolonging any form of race. It's like when you clean up your house and you have a lot of old stuff that you don't even use. But it's when you really clean it out that you see, oh, there's a lot of space for a lot of new stuff. So it's something like that. Now, what happens if you keep all this old stuff at home? Eventually it starts decaying, maybe some fungus, maybe a lot of insects, big ass spiders maybe, I don't know. So it's best to keep cleaning things out so that new, cleaner things can be formed. Similarly, this is what autophagy is, and that's what's happening within our bodies and in our cells. Now, when does autophagy occur? I'll tell you when it does not occur. When you have a lot of glucose and amino acids and a lot of nutrients, your body is like, why break down the old stuff? We're still getting a lot of the new stuff. We're getting a lot of nutrients from outside. So let the old stuff be there. We can still keep growing. It's not a big deal. And so autophagy does not occur. When nutrients are available, there's a pathway in our body called the mTOR. And when the mTOR is active, autophagy is turned off. Now, fasting intermittently or prolonged is one of the proven ways to activate autophagy and help with the recycling of old cells in your body. Now, if you look at a modern day where we have breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, maybe midtime snacks, and maybe some food and snacks, maybe watching Netflix, and so forth, you're always consuming nutrients. And when this is happening, the mTOR pathway remains on for most of the time. And so autophagy is not given a chance. Did you know that autophagy could prevent the development of cancer? It's possible. Now, the activation of autophagy through the process of fasting is probably one of the most powerful yet underrated biohacks out there. As always, guys, the issue here is that it's free. And when something is free, human beings don't really give value to it. It's difficult. The majority, I mean. So when you fast, it's so powerful. I mean, I've done a 3-day fast, a 7-day fast multiple times. It was very challenging, but I know it was worth it. Now, caution, I'm not asking you guys to fast, but I'm asking you to consider the idea of fasting intermittently perhaps, because it is very powerful for your health. The 2016 Nobel Prize in Medicine went to Yoshinori Oshumi for his discoveries in autophagy. In multiple animal studies, it was found that the process of autophagy is very crucial when it comes to making sure that the cellular functions in our bodies are maintained and that the process of aging is not accelerated. Of course, fasting has a lot of other benefits apart from autophagy too, but of course, to live in a completely balanced way, you gotta balance your mind, body and spirit too. That's how we roll at Ytalife, you know that. So I hope this was informative to you guys. I hope you learned something new called autophagy. And fasting is one of the proven ways to activate it. Try it out, maybe. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Stay informed, stay aware so that we all can have sustainable health. The Ytalife style.